Imagine a mountain that promises you billions in gold, but swears you will never leave alive. This is Devil's Crest, hidden deep in Colorado's wilderness. And tonight, I'm taking you inside its cursed legend. Locals say Devil's Crest is not just a mountain, it's a trap. In the late 1700s, Spanish conquistadors hid a fortune here, gold worth billions today. But they never came back. Some say they were betrayed. Others say something found them in the dark. A creature, not human. Glowing eyes that cut through the blackness, claws sharp enough to slice stone, and shadows that move on their own. In 1894, four miners climbed Devil's Crest. They returned with wild eyes, torn clothes, and then no gold. Only three made it back. The fourth, never found. The survivors swore they had seen the treasure, piles of gold bars, ancient coins, and jeweled crowns. But then, something woke up. They ran for their lives, leaving everything behind. For years, no one dared to go back. Until 2018. A drone operator flew above Devil's Crest, and the footage showed something shiny deep inside a cave. Gold. But seconds later, the feed went dark. When they found the drone, it was smashed and covered in deep claw marks. No one knows what attacked it. No one has gone back since. The gold is still there, billions, just waiting. But so is the thing that protects it. Would you dare to climb Devil's Crest? Would you risk everything for treasure you might never spend? If this story gave you chills, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more true horror and mystery stories, and share this video with someone who thinks they're brave enough to survive Devil's Crest. Because next time, we're going even deeper.